make an egg recipe today. Egg dopeyaja, a good recipe to have with rice. First boil 4 eggs. Add salt while boiling. It will help to peel the shell. With the boiled egg, mix little salt, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Fry the eggs in high heat. Pick up them in another bowl. In the same oil, add 2 chopped onions. When the onion is softened, add ½ teaspoon each red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix well. Add 1 tomato, chopped in this size. Add salt to taste. In medium heat, cook for 10 minutes. Add previously fried eggs. After cooking for another 10 minutes, add freshly chopped coriander as finishing touch. Almost done. Time for turning off the heat. Enjoy delicious egg dopeyaja with rice.